This is our activity 7-2, which is creating a pie chart and accessing detailed data using the drill down. Now, just as we saw a drill down before, it is possible to activate an element in a chart, and that element will drill down to the actual data. Now, take note, we have a group header here with some details. Right? Now, let's have a look over at the side. Our database fields, and there's our title formula field. Right? Let's preview this report. Now, it doesn't look like much, but if I were to double click on one, I go to the drill down. Now, our charts can do the same thing if it is what you want. So let's go back to our design here. Right? Now, in our design, we're going to insert a chart and we're going to put it in the report header. Let's make the report header bigger. Right? And insert a chart and just place it midway through. Now, the chart expert will open, and what do you want in the chart? Right? Well, let's go do the type first. We're going to do pie. Right? And we're just going to do a regular pie. Nothing fancy. And then the data. What are we going to put in the data? Well, we want product size for the on change of. And then for the values, we want the order detail quantity. So order detail quantity in this area. And let's just have a look. And let's preview. Makes sense. And when we click off of it, it's easy to read. Now, we know we can always go back and add labels. But is the drill down inherent? Well, let's find one of these. Let's go into our small. Notice we do get the opportunity to double click. And when I double click, nothing happens. Did we identify it as a drill down? Okay, well, let's go back to our design and let's go back to the chart wizard or the chart expert. Right? And the data. The data is fine. Now let's go to our options. Notice our options here. So we've got a lovely pie chart in here. And let's see if the drill down works. Take note down below. And I'm just going to mouse in here. And I'm going to click once. Then I'm going to double click on the blue, which represents large. And notice how the drill down shows me the details down below. Really quite simple. And that's the end of this activity.